You see, this one is not working now. Okay, so why this is not working? Because it could be because of course policy, because we have not added that course policy, right? Other things looks fine. Okay, so we are getting some errors, but that's not a problem. When we add the domain name uh, in this settings, here we just want to allow this origin domain name, then it will work. Okay, but anyway, this is now working with the HTTP. Let's just try to load it. I know, just add this domain name here. What is my domain name? Yeah, here it is. HTTP. Okay, HTTP, and then I think let's add HTTPS also. So I'll just come back, git add. Oh, I'm just inside this server, right? So I should go here from my local and say git add hyphen a, or just add dot git commit hyphen m domain name allowed in course git push origin main. Let's see now if it works. So these are all the one-time work. So once this is set up, then you don't have to worry about any deployments. Then you can simply concentrate on your features and coding, and then push to main branch, and it will just get pushed to the server. Okay, all right, so deployment is done. Let's try. Okay, something is happening. It's loading, but not sure. Okay, so I got this error again. "502" is the status code I'm getting. So this means our front end is unable to access the backend. Can we check if the backend is running? Docker compose ps. Backend is not running. Backend is not running. You can see DB is running, front end is running, Nginx is running, right? So backend is not running for some reason. Let's try. Let's check what is the problem. Let me run Docker compose logs backend. Okay, static things are creating some issues here. Course header origin this. All right, we missed this comma. We missed this comma, right? So that's the reason. Uh, you know, something bad happened, and our container just stopped, right? So that's why, just you see, if you miss such silly things, your container can stop. Git add dot git commit hyphen m minor issue fixed git push origin main. Hopefully it should work now. You can always come here and see. I like to see this kind of things. Okay, done. Let's quickly check if go to the SSH. Okay, looks fine. If I run docker compose ps, okay, all of them are up, right? Yeah, let's go back, refresh, and perfect. Okay, don't worry, you will not get this error. Okay, so this was some code error, but in your code, that error I have already fixed. You'll not get it. All right, now you can just go ahead and create the super user and start creating the data. Okay, you know how to do that. There are steps.